Let's make this simple but perfect and soft BOFROT. You will love it, okay? Yes, that is how it is known in Ghana, and some of us will call it donut. If today is the first time here, my name is Lena and we do easy cooking recipes. If you're interested, please, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe or follow for more videos. It is totally free. So I have with me here a cup of milk. I'm using soy milk. You can use any milk of your choice. I'm just going to add a tablespoon of yeast, a tablespoon of sugar. Mix it very well and then keep it in a warm place for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, we will get back. But before that, I have my 2 cups of all-purpose flour and I will add 3 tablespoons extra to that. Okay, now I'll go ahead and add my 2 tablespoons of sugar, quarter cup of powdered milk. I will then add my nutmeg, okay, and then mix it very well till it combines. Okay, and whilst you're waiting for this is where I decided to add the extra 3 tablespoons of the all-purpose flour, okay, because when I'm kneading the dough, I am not going to add any flour to it. Now the 10 minutes is up. We are just going to add our dry ingredient to the wet ingredient, mix it to form a dough. If today is your first time here, please do not forget to follow me on all social media platforms at Ezebede Mommy's Recipes. If you are old here and you are not following me, please do so for me. If you want short videos, please follow me on TikTok and Instagram. I'll go ahead and add a tablespoon of vanilla and then we continue. Mix it very well to form the dough. Thank you so much for your time. Now the dough is formed and I'm just going to knead the dough very well with my 3 tablespoons of butter and then we are good to go. When we are done kneading it, we will just keep it in a warm place for 30 minutes. And after 30 minutes, this is how the dough is looking. I'll just divide the dough into the sizes that I want. Okay, so we are going for 10 pieces and then we are going to mold it into round shape. Then we are good to go. When you are molding it, please you make sure you seal it very well so that it will not open when we are frying it. Okay, yeah, so you can look at that, very perfect, but the down wasn't closed well, so I closed it very well. Okay, we are going to repeat the process again so that you will get it perfectly. Now we are done with everything. I will keep it in a warm place for 1 hour so they increase in size. Okay, after an hour it has doubled in size, and I have my oil on fire. It is also hot, so we are just going to drop our BOFROT or donut in the oil. But before that, I want to test if the oil is hot, and when I did that, I realized it is hot. It is not very hot. Okay, so I'm just going to drop it inside, then fry it. Now the other side is ready. I'll just flip it to the other side, so that the other side can also cook very well. Our donut or puff puff or BOFROT is ready, and I'm just going to remove that and let it stay or rest on my paper towel so that we can proceed. Now I'm just going to open one for you to see how soft and fluffy it looks. Just look at that, so delicious. Thank you so much for watching, and please do not forget to take good care of yourself, love yourself first, and please do not forget to subscribe or follow for more videos. I love you. Bye bye.